trying to take a piece of mine, man. Can't let them. Never let nobody tell you it's impossible. Keep chasing.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Barbarabeauté and I'm back on your screen with another video. Today I'm excited because I have a product review. It's been so long I haven't done anything product review or makeup related at all. Today I have the MorphexJaclynHill Vault collection that I'm so excited about. It comes just like this in this white box, and it comes with an inner box, and it comes with 4 palettes. That's insane. I will leave the retail price right here on the screen for you guys because this was gifted to me, so I don't exactly know how much it costs. So I have these 2 on my eyes right now, just like this. So each one of these comes with 10 eyeshadows in it, and it comes with a mirror, which is very awesome. Each palette is like themed, as far as, you know, this one is very like warm, but it's more summery type of warm. This one is pretty cool. It has like a purple type of theme in it. This one is very cool, like it's like greens, blues. It has in it, each one is a mixture of mattes and shimmers in it. And then this one, it seems like to me more of like a fall type palette, which I really love. She took her time to put the colors together, and so that you could use these shadows by themselves. Like if you were just to take this one, you can do an entire look by itself, and that's what I tried to accomplish with the 2 looks that I did today. As far as swatches, I did hear a lot about these palettes. There was a lot of speculation and a lot of rumors about the palettes not being, you know, pigmented, or they not being as good as the original JaclynHill palette, which I do have and I love. Good. I feel like if you have something to say about like the pigmentation of these eyeshadows, you're pretty much just a hater, because these eyeshadows are just as good as the Jaclyn palette, or the original Jaclyn palette, or better to me. Also, swatches are not a good indicator of how an eyeshadow will wear on your eyes. The swatches they look all right, but when I put these on, like, I get no issues, like no fallout. I don't have to like build something up crazy. These eyeshadows were extremely pigmented on my skin, and I have dark skin, so that says a lot. The mattes are much better than the shimmers, just like the original Morphe palette. If you use water with the shimmers, they're nicer, but if you use your finger, they go on really nice. Some of the colors shimmers are iridescent, and the colors are very unique, which is what I also like about them. It's not like all these colors are in the original Jaclyn and Morphe palettes. Once again, Jaclyn used this white packaging. As you can see, my original Morphe palette looks janked, like it's brown, because she's using white packaging. It doesn't matter how much I keep this inside of a plastic Ziploc or I clean it off, it always ends up looking like this. Don't get me wrong, the packaging is pretty, it's just, it's not realistic, especially if you're like a makeup artist or something. Your stuff has to look presentable, and it's gonna end up getting dirty. So overall, I don't know what issues people have with this palette, but for me, I love these palettes. They're great. That's my spiel. If you guys want to see this palette in action, just keep on watching.
Alright, so hey guys, this is me being excited about the palette. My eyes are already primed, and the first color I took was Shh. It's a very odd color. It was like a taupe-y color, so I put it down and it looked a little gray. So then after that, I just went right in with the color Potion, which is a dark green. Such a beautiful color. These shadows are so pigmented, so this is kind of why I look a little shook in the footage. But yeah, I'm using a big fluffy brush. I'm using the brushes I always use, guys. Like if you watch my videos, I'm always using these Sedona lace brushes. So ain't no need for me to even say the names. Alright. Then I'm going in with the color Poof. It's like a peachy brow bone color. It looks a little on my skin, but it works. It works. And I'm using that with an e.l.f. brush, just a little highlight at the highest point of my brow. Then I'm, blending those two colors with that same fluffy brush. I don't need to use a lot of brushes, y'all. Now I'm taking a denser brush and I'm going in with the color Busted. It's like a turquoise, no, it's like a blue, turquoise blue. So pretty. And that green and that blue together, magic. I'm putting it right in my crease, just on the outer corner, and I'm like going in circular motions, and I'm also doing it on the outer V of my eye, just to give that part some depth, And when I tell you these colors together, it's like she made these colors, she put these colors together like for a reason. Now I'm taking the color Trickery, and I'm using my finger. I feel like it goes on best with that. I'm using that as my lid color. I'm gonna take it a little higher than my lid, just because I like that look. I'm not taking it all the way to my inner corner, but that color is like a mermaidy color. It's not shimmery, to be honest. It's more like sheeny, but it's very, very pretty. The camera really does not pick up how pretty it is. Now I'm just going back and blending, and then I'm going to take Potion, do that on my lower lid. Then I'm taking the color Busted. I'm basically repeating the exact same steps, and then that's how it looks. All done with my lashes and my liner and my lip, because I had no time to play. I had 2 tutorials to do in one. Okay, back primed and ready to go. I'm using the palette Bling Boss primarily. I'm taking the color Rockstar. It's like a deep eggplant color, very pigmented, and I'm using that very generously with that same brush I was using from the other look. Yep. Then I'm taking Mystic, apparently. That's like a dark brown color. Putting that on in my crease, just to deepen it a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm putting that in the inner and outer corner. So I'm gonna do a bit of a halo. Then I'm taking Berry Treasure. It's like a deep, it's almost like a brown and a black, but with shimmer, but it works for your crease. And that's just going to deepen it even more. Then I'm cutting the crease, if you will. I'm using a flat e.l.f. brush and my Urban Decay Primer Potion. You could just use concealer. I took mine pretty high up. And then the color I'm going to fill it in is in the Ring the Alarm palette. Such a pretty color. It's called Lolly. It's like a gold and a pink reflective type of shade. So freaking pretty. I had the intentions of using the other palette, just the one, but nothing in there was working for me. Now I'm going back in the Bling Boss, and I'm using that purple color called Gem. Just has a pop on my lower lash line, and that's it for that, guys. Yes, that is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, Prince. These niggas been trying to take a piece of mine, man. Can't let them.